Hello everyone, I'm Arshi. When I traveled to India, I found out that locusts were a big problem for farmers. There are millions of locusts in the swarm and they eat up all the crops. This meant farmers had to worry about COVID-19 and also how to feed their families. I wanted to do something. I thought of making a drone which would photograph, track, and map the locust swarms. Farmers would know the swarm size, when they would arrive, and would be prepared for them. I would light up my drone at night to scare swarms away from the fields. While searching about drone designs, I found out about dragonflies. Dragonflies are the most efficient hunters as they have only 16 visual neurons, allowing them to make quick decisions. As they are able to fly long distances too, I decided to biomimic a dragonfly. I started with sketching designs. I imagined different ways to replicate the body, eyes, neurons, and wings of a dragonfly using hardware and software. I ended up making several prototypes of my dragonfly drone using cans, water bottles, and Lego. Some prototypes had an ultrasonic sensor, some had a camera, some used servos, some used motors. My final product was the Directional Dragonfly drone. It made use of an ultrasonic sensor and camera for vision, Python for gathering information, logic gates for decision making, and Arduino to move the motors. Making the Dragonfly drone took me 6 months, but it was fun. I used Lego for body parts, and I had to learn new skills for making it, like soldering, coding in Python, and logic gate circuits. My drone has 5 parts. The first is the detection of the prey. The camera acts just like eyes. It scans the surrounding and looks for objects. Then it sends that to the Python. Then Python looks if there's a prey in the image. Right now, I've considered that all red objects are preys. The second step is the distance to the prey. The ultrasonic sensor sends its readings to Arduino. Then the Arduino processes the data and makes it into a distance. The third step is the decisions. If the camera detects a prey, and if the ultrasonic sensor detects it's close enough, then it makes the decision that it wants to fly. Now, which direction to fly? I calculate the average coordinates of the red pixels on the screen. That allows it to know if the prey is coming from the left, the middle, or the right. Finally, the drone motor controller. The drone knew that there was a prey in front of it and its direction. But how would it fly towards it? Did I have to change the speed and direction of each of the motors? Let's now watch a demo. My drone only detects red objects. So if I put my hand in front, nothing will happen. If I put a red object in front, the motors start moving. If a red object comes from the right side, all the motors will start moving clockwise. Similarly, if I put an object from the left side, all the motors will start moving anti-clockwise. One of the things I wanted to do is to light up my drone in the night to scare away the locusts. I've already completed that. I have posted the entire code of my project on my GitHub account. I faced many challenges while making my drone. For example, I struggled to communicate between Python and Arduino. I realized that one could use up different resources, such as online courses or GitHub and Stack Overflow, to find answers. I came to know about the Serial Bridge library on GitHub, and it solved my problem. I am now more confident of taking up even more complex projects. Thank you. Merci beaucoup.